How to turn off message requests on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop receiving message requests from people you don't follow. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. From there, let me show you. Tap on Message Requests to open your messaging preferences. At this stage, under the section, look for the option that controls who can send you message requests. Following this, tap on No One to stop anyone from being able to send you message requests. At this stage, once all these settings are configured, you'll no longer receive any unsolicited message requests from people outside your followers list. Here's an important note. Turning off message requests doesn't affect messages from people you already follow. They can still message you directly in your main inbox as normal. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off message requests on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.